welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm excited to share this brand new update, free BTC mining update. Okay, so make sure you stay with me from the beginning of this video to the end, because if you skip any part you may miss the important part. Okay, so if you are looking for a way to make money for free without investment, with only your phone and anything that will connect you with internet, this channel is for you. Okay, so all you need to do is to press on that subscription button, click the notification bell, so that anytime I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. Okay, do well to join my WhatsApp or Telegram community link. The links are in the video description. So this is how to start the update. When you enter the update, okay, so slash this one and get started, slash it to the end, drag it like this to the end. You see, mine Bitcoin instantly, no setup, no needed. One tap to start tracking hashes and earning live from your phone. So you drag this to the end. So you are going to see an interface like this. All you need to do is to enter the referral code and click on continue. Okay, so I'll be leaving the referral code in the comment section, and I will also leave it in the video description, and you can also see it here, the referral code. I placed it in the screen you are seeing right now. That's the referral code. So you can see it has started mining. Okay, so that's how it will be mining. My network is very slow, that's why you see this boost thing has not passed. You see, an ad will pop up again. Before you start mining, an ad will pop up. So as you see, they give 20 minutes of mining. You can this one use them to mining. So to withdraw, come on your wallet. You see the minimum withdrawal is $10. Okay, that's 10 USDT. That's the minimum withdrawal. Okay, so if you come on settings here, you see, so to get your referral code, all you need to do is to come here. You see your referral code, you see referral bonus, you earn 0.00 cents for each referral person you refer. So to get your referral code, click on this share button, share icon. When you click on it, you are going to see quick share, copy. So all you need to do is just copy it. When you copy it, you go and paste it. Then when you paste it, then you now get your referral code. Okay, so if you come on settings here, so to put your wallet address and save it, click on this profile name you are seeing here. So you see here, name, you can edit it, email, then phone number, then wallet address. Okay, so the wallet they need is wallet USDT TRC20. Okay, make sure the wallet you are going, the address wallet you are going to put here is TRC20. So any wallet apart from that one will be rejected, so the transaction will be rejected. Make sure you enter wallet TRC20. Okay, so guys, after you are done with everything, then click on this update. You see top miner, help and support, React country, etc. Okay, that's all. So guys, do well to use the invitation code so that you will get your bonus on it. Okay, so don't forget to share the video, like it, subscribe for the channel. So when it reaches the minimum withdrawal, I'm going to make another video to show you how you withdraw on it. Okay, I wish you happy cash out.